now, wahala be like bicycle. Our next president on another tutu. First of all, my first greet you now before I will go straight to the point for this matter. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Based on where you are watching me from, if I'm a returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you like this video, you want to subscribe, free and turn on the notification bell. Thanks. My people, our next president don't come out on another Tinubu. He don't come out, come let people know, say, as they talk and say he don't old. Say he never old at all. As they talk and say he no fit become Nigeria president. He say he never old. Who they talk? Who be that? Say he na youth. Say he bone not the shake. Say he still strong. Say na youth na he be. My people, as I see this video, me was shortalized. He say na youth oh. Me self I believe say na youth na he be. He say many Nigerians need them. Say he must become Nigeria president by all means. Say he never old. Say grey head never dey in head at all. Say he still dey strong. Why people they talk like that? Say he go do everything. He go provide light, everything, free WAEC, free NECO, everything. Say he go give her to Nigeria. Make them not reason am like that. My people not be say at the today talk for this video. Ma show on the video before I go continue waiting. I go talk for inside this matter. So
it's not just a gift. It's a doubt. I'm begging you. I'm begging you to tolerate. I beg peace. Part of your master plan. You be there, and yes, I will be a youth, and I'm a youth. President, doctor. But you have to work for it. You have to demonstrate quality, character, and intelligence to govern people, manage. Nigeria will have a great resource base.
My people, other don't watch now be small thing though. They even the hell and say good leader, national leader. My advice when I want advise Nigeria, what I want to be say, if you reach the time 2023, may I vote wisely. Now wait till I get to talk, my people. I'm a youth, yes, so good leader, I'm a youth, yes, so Tinubu is now a youth, Tinubu, I don't know what I want to call her, Tinubu Ahmed, yes, Tinubu Ahmed, na young guy, not be old man. Na young, na youth, na he be never old. Men are not the talk and say Tinubu don't old. Tinubu go be good leader, national leader. Okay, my people. Now, yeah, I won't leave on now. On a door.